Hi, this is Rajiv Verma, mortgage broker from the Simplify Mortgage Solutions, the Mortgage Center team. A lot of time the clients are asking me a question, what is the second mortgage and how we can get the second mortgage and what are the term conditions for this and who need a second mortgage. So let me just simplify today, how the second mortgage or the private, funds work. So let me do start with what's the second mortgage? Second mortgage is basically um, the money you're requesting without um, breaking the first mortgage. So for example, people they are looking for second mortgage if they have already done the consumer proposal and they want to pay out early consumer proposal. Also, if when their debts are high interest debts are too much, the debts can be credit card or maybe some other loans, and they want to pay out and consolidate. This is when they are looking for a second mortgage. Also, sometimes they need a emergency cash due to any family emergency, or their kids are going to the university, or they have the CRA debt or any other debt. They want to pay out. So these are some of the reasons that people are getting requesting the second mortgage. So another question is, what are the other options before going for this second mortgage option? So obviously, if you're owning a home, you have the equity. There are two most economical options for you to get the money. Number one is to refinance the existing mortgage to include the money you needed, and the second option can be the secured to set up a secured line of credit against your house if you have equity. But these two options are economical, but only work if your income is good, your credit is good. Then yes, definitely it will save you money. But if the credit is the issue, or income is the issue, or you lost the income, then these two options are not going to work out. Then the third option is left is a second mortgage. Obviously, the second there is pros and cons of getting the second mortgage, because these are the private funds. Obviously, the interest rate is going to be higher, as well as there are other fees associated with that. But if the case is only left, the option is only left for the second mortgage, yes, we can do the second mortgage, as we have a large pool of the private lenders, including the institutional lenders, including mortgage investment corporation, as well as the individual private investors who are ready for the funds to lend. And the process can take only a few days if you have a requirement. um, the requirement is you should have a house and you should have enough equity in the house to get the the funds as a second mortgage, because there will be a second position registered against your house. So our lenders are very, very flexible nowadays. They have a flexible term condition. The rates are very, very attractive, and some of the lenders, they can go up to 85% of the appraised value of your house. Once again, some of the lenders are very attractive. They can go up to 85% of the value of your house. So this is very, very sometimes very, very beneficial in case you need a more money to get out of your equity. So if you have any question regarding that, if you want to discuss your scenario, because each and every scenario is unique, and we can definitely help you. Consultation is absolutely free, and you can give me a call back 647-291-7116. Once again, this is Rajiv Verma, mortgage broker from Simplify Mortgage Solutions team. 647-291-7116.